Welcome to our channel Get Cooking Now. Today we will make delicious prawn cutlets. Step 1. Marinating the prawns. We have taken 300 grams of small prawns after cleaning. Cut them into small pieces. Add half a teaspoon of salt. Add quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder, that is haldi powder. Stir everything properly. You can use larger prawns or even shrimps. Cut them into small pieces. Cover and keep it aside for at least 15 minutes. Step 2. Preparing the other ingredients. Boil 2 medium-sized potatoes without removing the skin. We will need around half a teaspoon of spice powder for this recipe. Roast the whole spices before you grind it, or you can use powder. Follow the recipe on the screen to make 5 teaspoons of spice powder. You can save the remaining powder for later use. 4 to 6 tablespoons of breadcrumbs to add in the cutlet mixture. 1.5 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, equal amounts of both. 1 egg for coating. 1/3 cup of breadcrumbs for coating. 1/3 cup of semolina for coating, which is rava. 1 medium-sized tomato finely cut. 2 medium-sized green chilies finely cut. 1.5 medium-sized onion finely cut. 1/4 cup of coriander leaves, cilantro finely cut. Step 3. Cooking the prawns. Place a thick bottom pan on medium heat. Add 3 tablespoons of cooking oil. Once the oil is hot, add finely chopped onions and stir. Stir frequently to prevent burning. After around 5 minutes, add the ginger garlic paste. After around 1 minute, add the tomatoes and green chilies and stir everything nicely. Stir frequently to prevent burning. After around 3 to 4 minutes, when the tomatoes have mashed up, add the prawns. Do not add any water as the prawns will release its own liquid. Add the half teaspoon of spice powder and mix well. Cover and cook for some time. Cook the prawns until all the liquid has dried out. Add quarter teaspoon of salt. Stir it nicely. Check for salt and add if required. Once cooked, put off the heat. Add the finely cut coriander leaves and mix well. Now set it aside to cool. Step 4. Preparing the prawn mixture. Once they are boiled, remove the skin while they are still hot. Put the peeled potatoes in a bowl and mash them using a fork or a potato masher. Make sure that there are no lumps or hard pieces of potato remaining. Add quarter teaspoon of salt. Add a pinch of black pepper powder. Now add the prawn mixture in the bowl.
If you haven't already subscribed to our channel, do subscribe and press the bell icon to receive a notification whenever we upload a new video.
Add around 3 to 4 tablespoons of breadcrumbs and mix well. If needed, you can add more breadcrumbs to absorb the moisture. Prawn mixture is ready. Keep it in the refrigerator before frying. Step 5. Preparing the prawn cutlets. Apply oil to your palm and fingers before making the cutlets, and this will prevent the mixture from sticking to your hands. Take a portion of the prawn mixture in your palm. Mold it nicely to form an oval shape. You can choose any shape or size that you prefer. You can make a circle, you can make a rectangle, you can make a square, you can do anything that you want. Shape the cutlet properly and ensure there are no cracks. Similarly, prepare the remaining cutlets. Keep all the cutlets ready before frying. Whisk the eggs. In a plate, add 1/3 cup of breadcrumbs. Add 1/3 cup of semolina, that is rava. Mix it well and spread it around the plate. Dip the cutlet in the egg and remove it using a fork or a spatula. Turn and coat the cutlet on all sides with the coating mixture. For coating, only semolina, that is rava, or only breadcrumbs can also be used. You don't need to mix both of them together, but we find that the result is better when they are both mixed. Similarly, prepare the remaining cutlets.
If you found this recipe interesting, do press the like button and share your feedback in the comment section below.
Keep all the cutlets ready before frying. Step 6. Frying the prawn cutlets. In a heavy bottom pan, add sufficient cooking oil for shallow frying. Place the pan on medium heat. When the oil is hot, add the cutlets one by one. Do not add too many cutlets and crowd the pan, as the temperature of the oil will fall. Add only a few cutlets at a time. Once the cutlets are golden brown on one side, turn them to cook the other side.
If you haven't already subscribed to our channel, do subscribe and press the bell icon to receive a notification whenever we upload a new video.
Once the cutlets are cooked on both sides, remove them from the pan and place the cutlets on paper napkins to soak the excess oil. Serve the prawn cutlets hot with tomato ketchup. You can also use them in sandwiches. Delicious prawn cutlets are ready to serve. Thank you for watching and see you soon with another interesting recipe.
Check out our other interesting recipes and do subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. Thank you for watching.